Welcome back to this learning journey. So far, we have actually seen the examples of agentic AI in action. But what actually makes an AI system as a truly agentic? And in order to make an AI system as an agentic system, there are five core capabilities. So let me just explain one by one. And we have already understood about it. I'll just list down and then as we progress, I'll deep dive about these core capabilities. So as I've mentioned in the previous video as well, these are also known as the key ingredients. They are autonomy, reasoning, tool use, memory, and goal orientation. So these are the core capabilities that makes an AI as a truly agentic one. Let's dive into one by one in detail, starting with autonomy in action. Now, when I say autonomy, it means the AI, it doesn't need you to hold its hand. It can take the initiative and it can act without waiting for step-by-step instruction. For example, if you ask it to set a follow-up meeting, it can find an open slot in your calendar, book it, and send an invite without you having to provide any repeated prompt. And the second core capability is the reasoning ability. So, reasoning is the ability to break down the complex problem into smaller steps and solve them in a systematic manner. For example, we can have a research agent. A research agent can actually plan out a workflow. It can search the multiple sources first, then cross-check the facts and summarize the findings, and finally present them with citations. So that is an example of the reasoning ability. And the third core capability of what makes an AI an agentic is the tool use. So unlike the traditional chatbot, the agentic AI can actually use external tools. This might be a calculator, this might be a CRM system, or it can be an API that fetches live market data. For example, a finance agent could pull today's stock prices from a given external service before they actually give you an advice. Next, memory. So, memory, I'll say it as a key differentiator between the chatbot and an agent. Now, when we talk about memory, so in this context, we have something called as a short-term memory. It means the agent remembers the current conversation. You'll also come across something known as the long-term memory, which means it allows it to recall past interaction and use that knowledge in the future. For example, a study buddy agent, which we have talked earlier, it can remember which lessons you struggled with and adjust the future quizzes so that you can focus on those areas. So that is called as the memory. And last and the important capability, that is goal orientation. Here, the goal orientation means that the agent keeps the end objective in mind. If you take a travel planner agent, which we have talked about earlier, its goal is not just to list the flight. It ensures that the itinerary matches your budget, it matches your preference, it also matches your timing, and it aligns every step with what you actually want to achieve. So, overall, I can say that one of the key difference from the traditional AI system over here is a chatbot, when we consider this as an example of traditional AI, it can answer one question at a time. But when we talk about an agent, it can manage the entire flow of tasks. It can be from start to finish, all while keeping our goal in focus. That's the key differentiator from traditional AI. So to summarize from this video, when we talk about an agentic AI, It's the combination of the autonomy, reasoning, tool use with memory and goals. That's what an agentic AI system will have. I can say this as a unique mix which transforms an AI into an active collaborator, not just a conversational tool. And through this course, you will learn how to design these agentic AI system and build those systems using the various elements. So with this, we come to the end of this video, guys, and I'll see you next time. Alright, guys, so this was just one video on this module 1 of full NVIDIA certified professional agentic AI certificate preparation course. Now, in case if you'd like to access and continue access all the hands-on labs, videos, projects, including the examination preparation module, you can enroll on our website. The link is in the description below. If you are able to complete this video till the end, I would think that there's something that resonates between us, and I'm excited to help you in your certification preparation journey, and I'll see you on our portal. But more importantly, I wish you all the very best, no matter where you are in your agentic AI preparation journey. So stay with us, subscribe to our channel for more free content.